Ever wondered what the fuss about cryptocurrencies is all about? Well, you're not alone. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies, like Bitcoin, the first of its kind. They operate in a decentralized manner, free from government control, using a technology called blockchain. This innovative technology allows for secure and transparent transactions, all without needing a middleman. It's this elimination of intermediaries and high security that have led to the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies. So, are you ready to dive deeper into this fascinating world? From Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, the world of cryptocurrencies is vast and varied. Each of these digital currencies, among thousands of others, serves unique purposes and boasts distinctive features. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, are primarily used for quick, low-cost transactions. Others, such as Ethereum, are designed to facilitate smart contracts and decentralized applications, also known as dApps. The variety of cryptocurrencies arises from competition for transaction costs, transaction speed, and the volume of transactions that can be processed. At the heart of every cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. Picture blockchain as a digital ledger spread across numerous computers that securely logs every transaction. It's like a public, unalterable record book. The creation of each cryptocurrency involves complex mathematical operations known as mining, which ensures the integrity and safety of this digital money. This intricate process is what makes blockchain technology so secure and transparent. Blockchain technology provides the foundation for the operation of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are not just digital money. They have a much broader role. They're increasingly being adopted across various sectors. Take financial services and lending, for example. The absence of intermediaries and heightened security are game changers. Imagine voting systems where results can't be tampered with, or art auctions where the authenticity of a masterpiece is indisputable. All these possibilities are being explored thanks to cryptocurrencies. Their ability to provide high security without the need for a middleman is revolutionizing industries. Cryptocurrencies are shaping the future of many industries by providing high security without the need for a middleman. You might be wondering why there are so many different cryptocurrencies. The reason is simple: competition. Just like in any market, cryptocurrencies compete over transaction costs, speed, and the volume of transactions they can handle. Some cryptocurrencies prioritize low-cost transactions, others focus on speed, and some strive to process a massive volume of transactions efficiently. Each cryptocurrency is designed with a unique set of features to meet different needs. The variety of cryptocurrencies is a testament to the versatility and adaptability of this technology. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what a cryptocurrency is, to why there are so many. We've explored the digital nature of these currencies, their independence from traditional intermediaries, and the variety of uses they offer. We also touched on the concept of blockchain, and how it contributes to the security and transparency of cryptocurrencies. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. In our next video, we'll delve into the classifications of digital currencies and other key points. Stay tuned.